Hi, my name is Tom Parker, and what you're about to hear is going to change your life. Over the next few minutes, you're going to be led into a little-known secret that allows ordinary people like you and I to make thousands of dollars online every single day from the comfort of their own home. Now, I'm not talking about trading or the stock market. I'm not talking about Bitcoin or any other so-called cryptocurrencies. And I'm certainly not talking about anything illegal. In fact, regular Joes are making in excess of $10,000 every single week from a completely legitimate website. And you don't need any special skills to use this site. You don't need any online experience, and you don't have to spend hundreds of hours hunched over your laptop to be successful. Take a look at this.